What is up, everyone? So this is going to be an unboxing of the Halo Nmpd Pelican Airbase. This is my first Pelican and my first Signature Series set. So let's just hop straight into it. It's kind of hard. I'm doing it just with one hand, with my other hand on the phone. Let's see other connection. Ooh. Looks like this is the manual. That is a very big manual. Oh. So the Signature Series set is actually very new to me. Like I said, it's my very first one. Packaging is very nice. There's very good detailing, especially on the inside of that man. Just look at that. That looks pretty cool, especially on the front of it and on the back. This is really cool, and I can't wait to get started on this. It's going to take me a very long time. As soon as it is done, I will immediately upload it to YouTube. This has been the Pan Man 1, also known as Shane, signing out, and I'll see you next time.